Well, that's different. Got the floor indicator, an external floor indicator there above the call buttons. Can barely see that arrow. We can go up to level 2. This is the lift at, oh, that's the floor indicator there. This is the lift at King's building in New Plymouth. It's an OTIS Series 1 hydraulic. It looks like a bit of a cheaper install. There's no segment floor indicator inside here. Inside here, just this one here beside the buttons. They've got the buttons the wrong way round up there. Go back to ground. 780 kgs for 11 persons. Yeah, it's just a fairly standard Series 1 hydro, this one. Not much to say about it at all. The cab looks quite nice though. So that only lights up when the lift has arrived at your floor. Or maybe the one for ground's burnt out, I'm not sure. But anyway, there it goes. And that's it.